Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on your VIVO V60 Lite. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So when you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more. And we definitely do not want that. So I would recommend using a soft brush. And what you guys can do after cleaning the microphone port is test the mic in a voice recorder app or practically another app that uses your volume. So here we have the tools. Let me quickly go here and open up the recorder. Now allow to make the phone calls. Here, as you guys can see, my microphone is definitely working because we see the sound moving. So not exactly the sound, but the visualization. So that's how we know our microphone is working. If it's static like that, then it's definitely not working. And what you guys can do next is restart the phone to fix any glitches. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now press restart and wait for the phone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys when it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So not exactly update, but check for the update if you have the latest version. So open up the settings, swipe all the way down until you see system update. Now it will check automatically if you have the latest version. As you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. You will have a button right here to update it. So first download it, then install it, and then you will have to restart your phone to do the update. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.